I would like to take this opportunity to discuss a subject that we all, at one point or another, encounter in our lives: the impact of negative people on our mental health, our relationships, and ultimately, our ambitions. We are all familiar with those individuals who seem to drain our energy, consistently dwell on the negative, and perhaps even cast shadows over our hopes and dreams. While negativity can sometimes be a common response to life's challenges, it is crucial for us to address how these attitudes can profoundly affect our well-being and outlook on life. Today, we will explore the characteristics of negative people, the psychological and emotional consequences of their presence, the influence on our relationships and goals, and the strategies we can employ to mitigate their impact. First, let's take a closer look at what we mean when we refer to negative people. Negative individuals can take many forms. Some may appear as chronic complainers who fixate on problems rather than solutions, while others may exhibit a pessimistic demeanor, expecting the worst in every situation. It's essential to recognize that some negative individuals may not even realize the effect they have on others. Their own struggles or insecurities can be projected onto those around them, creating a cycle of negativity. Character traits Togue identify include constant criticism. Some people have a harsh, judgmental lens through which they view both themselves and others, believing that constructive feedback can only be delivered through negativity. Cynicism. This manifests as a general distrust of others and a bleak outlook on life, often leading to the belief that nothing good ever happens or life is unfair. Victim mentality. These individuals frequently blame external circumstances for their problems, refusing to take responsibility and dragging others down with their victimhood. Understanding these traits allows us to be more alert to their influence and impact on our energy and mindset. The mental and emotional toll of being surrounded by negative individuals is significant and multifaceted. Let's explore some of the primary effects. Increased stress and anxiety. Studies indicate that prolonged exposure to negativity can amplify stress levels. Negative energy is infectious, leading to a heightened emotional state where we become overly focused on problems rather than solutions. Over time, this can lead to chronic stress, which has proven detrimental to both mental and physical health. Lowered self-esteem. Constant criticism and negativity can erode our self-worth. When you're in a space where your achievements are downplayed or your strengths are overlooked, it can cultivate self-doubt. This isn't just damaging in individual situations. It creates a pervasive mindset of inadequacy that can follow you into various areas of life, including personal relationships and work. Emotional drainage. Relationships, whether with family, friends, or colleagues, require a balanced exchange of energy. When one person is persistently negative, it can drain the emotional resources of others, often leaving those subjected to this negativity feeling exhausted, unmotivated, and, over time, even resigned to a pessimistic viewpoint. Mental health concerns. When negativity is a constant, the risk of mental health issues increases. People living in negative environments are more prone to feelings of anxiety and depression. The constant exposure creates a mindset where negativity becomes normalized, making it exceedingly difficult to cope with life's everyday challenges. Cognitive impairment. Emerging research suggests that stress and negativity can lead to cognitive decline. Prolonged exposure to toxic atmospheres can hinder our ability to concentrate, innovate, and solve problems. This not only affects personal life, but can also have significant repercussions in professional settings where creativity and strategic planning are critical. The ripple effects of negativity extend beyond individual mental health. They play a crucial role in shaping our relationships. Here are several ways in which negative influences can interfere with our connections. Communication breakdown. Negative energy can breed misunderstanding and conflict within personal and professional relationships. Constantly being in a negative environment can hinder open dialogue and create a wall of resentment and anger. This can escalate into long-standing grievances, leading to further division. Isolation. When surrounded by negativity, individuals may slowly withdraw from their social circles. They may feel ashamed to share their successes or happy moments for fear of judgment or ridicule, leading to a reinvention of social dynamics where the individual feels discomfort or anxiety in previously enjoyable interactions. Fear of judgment. Engaging with a critical or negative person can create a culture of fear. When you know that your every move may be scrutinized or criticized, it creates an environment in which it is difficult to be authentic. This goes against the principles of healthy relationships, which thrive on trust, openness, and acceptance. Influence on decision-making. When embedded in negativity, significant life choices can be skewed. Negative influences may lead you to avoid beneficial opportunities out of fear of failure, discouragement, or judgment. This cautious approach can hinder personal and professional growth. Conflict with other relationships. The presence of negative individuals in your life can also create tension among your other connections. Friends and family who see how negativity affects you may feel compelled to intervene, leading to friction and discomfort in those relationships. Impact on personal ambitions. The negative influence of certain individuals can also hinder our personal ambitions and aspirations. Here are some significant ways this occurs. Discouragement of dreams. Negative individuals are quick to point out why your dreams or plans may fail. Sharing your aspirations with someone negative can often lead to dismissive comments or discouragement. This can breed self-doubt and, over time, lead to a significant decline in motivation. Stagnation in growth. Being around negativity can inhibit our desire to explore new avenues, take risks, or aim higher. The result is often a stagnant life where individuals feel trapped in a familiar routine, unable to break free from self-imposed limitations fostered by negative influences. Fear of failure. The anxiety of encountering criticism or disapproval can cultivate a fear of failure. This fear may prevent you from pursuing opportunities that require courage, innovation, or a leap of faith. This ultimately leads to missed opportunities that could shape your future positively. Neglecting self-improvement. Engaging with negative individuals can lead to complacency. When the focus is on setbacks and problems, it inhibits the drive for self-improvement or learning, key aspects of personal and professional development. This complacency can produce a cycle where individuals feel lost or stagnant in their journeys. Loss of vision. Negative attitudes can overshadow your long-term vision and goals, making it difficult to stay focused and motivated. Clarity about what you want, becomes muddied by external negativity, leading to indecision and uncertainty regarding the path forward. Strategies to combat negativity. Now that we've understood the extent of the issue, let's explore practical steps to combat negativity in our lives. Establish boundaries. The first step is recognizing the need for boundaries. Be mindful of how much time you spend with negative individuals and limit exposure when possible. It is entirely acceptable to communicate your feelings and assert your needs without compromising your values. Seek positive influences. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you. Building a network of supporters can be transformative. Positive friendships not only provide emotional support, but also encourage you to pursue your dreams and aspirations. Engage in self-reflection. Regularly take time to engage in self-assessment to recognize how negativity affects you. Journaling can offer insights into your emotions and thought processes, serving as a powerful tool to dissect and address the influences around you. Practice self-care. Invest time in activities that nurture your mind and spirit. Meditation, exercise, reading, or engaging in creative hobbies can provide respite from the negativity of others, enhancing your emotional resilience. Communicate positively. When negativity arises, counter it with a positive perspective. When speaking with a negative individual, try reframing their issues into opportunities or solutions. This helps shift the conversation and may even inspire them to adopt a more positive outlook. Develop resilience. Resilience is a skill that can be cultivated. Surround yourself with uplifting materials, books, podcasts, and workshops that inspire growth. This investment in personal development can arm you with tools to combat negativity when it arises. Be the change. Sometimes the best way to combat negativity is to model positivity. Encourage others with your words, actions, and energy. By being a source of light, you can not only improve your life, but also influence those around you. In closing, it is important that we acknowledge the real and substantial impact negative people can have on our lives. Their presence can hinder our mental health, strain our relationships, and stifle our ambitions. However, we have the power to take action. By recognizing negativity and implementing strategies to shield ourselves from its influence, we can cultivate healthier, more positive environments. We owe it to ourselves to prioritize our mental and emotional well-being, to seek out relationships that elevate us, and to chase the dreams that inspire us. Thank you for your attention. I hope you leave today with a renewed sense of awareness and determination to embrace positivity in your life and to be a beacon of light for others.